Mysteries of professional wrestling. Growing up as a fan of professional wrestling, I always wondered, what was the deal with fanny packs?
Yeah, brother, fanny packs are the shit. Ladies love them. You can put everything in your fanny pack. Your car keys, drugs, your passport, drugs, that phone number from that ring rat you met last night at Hooters, and drugs. You don't believe me? Ask one of professional wrestling's greats. Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Jumpin' Billy Johnson, the greatest professional wrestler in Knoxville wrestling history, here to tell you how great the fucking fanny pack is. You can hide everything in this sumbitch. You can hide your cell phone, your wallet, your lighter, and most importantly, your drugs. If you don't like fanny packs, then fuck you. So if you don't like fanny packs, then fuck you.
Night for pro wrestling, this combat bringing you live entertainment here. As now our special attraction one-on-one contest gets underway.
I literally have no idea what's going to happen.
And that's the unpredictable style that Jheri Gigolo brings to the ring. Both men, for that matter. Bestia 666, there's so much that's unknown about this man. We know where he descends from, Tijuana, Mexico. We know he likes to use a hardcore lucha libre style. But beyond
Generally.
But beyond that, I mean, it's hard to depict what his next move is going to be. Bestia 666 is so cunning and he's so smart. And despite his young age, he's so well tenured in the wrestling ring.
Well, that's what you get when you come from a lineage of wrestlers. You know, that's what you get. Second generation star. He's coming in with a big advantage already for sure.
But again, Jheri Gigolo is also a master of mental warfare here. But again, that might go to the wayside here as a test of strength ensues in the center of the ring. And Jheri, who despite his fun-loving nature is no slouch. The man's over 6 feet tall. He's got 200 plus pounds behind his big frame. I mean, you cannot take anything away from Jheri.
Jheri Gigolo, if he pay attention less to the ladies and more to wrestling, could be an elite wrestler in the world. Right? Am I right, kid?
I mean, I consider him already an elite wrestler in the world. I mean, fist combat, we don't deal with chumps. We're not dealing with Bush League. We're not dealing with amateurs. This is the real deal. And Jheri Gigolo proving that he's going to recover.
On the road, Bestia grabbed the rope.
But I mean, even then, Jheri Gigolo proving that he's got more than just some flamboyant character antics behind what he's got going here. I mean, that was an impressive roll-up maneuver there.
I've been in the ring with Jheri Gigolo. He surprises me every time. You don't think this guy knows all the wrestling moves? He knows all the wrestling moves. All the holds, all the escapes.
But for all the holds, there are counter holds, and it looks like Bestia 666 might have Jheri's number as these men really just exchanging holds, sort of a feeling out process here.
Jheri Gigolo taking a page out of Chris Jericho's 1001 holds, using that hammerlock right there.
Well, the fist combat faithful, quick to correct Dirty Ron. There's a reason you are in the ring and not here at the commentation station, but we love you no matter what.
I don't know the names of fucking moves. You've seen me wrestle. I don't know what I'm doing out there.
Well, whatever it might be in the ring right now, it doesn't look comfortable, as now Jheri Gigolo looking to mount.
Did you say mount?
Yeah, he's looking to mount Bestia 666 here.
They're fucking kids here, kid.
We gotta pay attention to the action in ring here, because despite what this might look like, Jheri Gigolo has a very well applied hold here on Bestia 666. And if he's able to choke him out here, could you imagine what an upset that would be here?
How embarrassing would it be if Bestia lost to Jheri Gigolo? I mean, for real. You know? Like,
see,
without a doubt.
I want to dispute that, because Jheri Gigolo, like you said yourself, Dirty Rod, he's no slouch in the ring. This man is one of... Well, as I say that...
There you go, right there. That's what happens.
It's a unique offensive style for sure, and Bestia 666 is surely thrown off. In the center of the ring, and Jheri Gigolo.
It's Pride Month, kid.
I think Pride Month just ended, but it never ends at Fist Combat, because we like to deal with everyone at Fist Combat, whether you're Jheri Gigolo, whether you're a demon from the dark side in Bestia 666, or whether you're El Guapo, who's officiating this star-studded contest right here. And these men are really trying to see who's the better man here. It's come down to holds. This is something we didn't think we would see in the early stages of this match.
Gigolo has the advantage. What the fuck is going on?
Sure enough, Jheri Gigolo with the offensive advantage. But again, Bestia 666, that lucha libre style.
The ladies love that motherfucker.
Well, Jheri Gigolo didn't love anything about that. It's now the hand, that left hand of Jheri Gigolo, seemingly targeted by Bestia 66 here after a fist drop gone awry. And it appears that whole left arm Bestia 666 is now targeting.
Sorry, I'm trying to get right so I don't fuck up anything.
Well, Bestia 666 is looking to get right and make it a quick night here on the 4th of July, the Great American Barbecue. We've got international talent from all over the world delivering entertainment amidst a worldwide pandemic. And we want to thank all of our live attendees here at Drive-In Wrestling for another memorable night. Be sure to observe Fist Combat on all social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Fist Combat TV. We've got so much more coming your way through
all summer, kid. All summer. What great fucking shows we got.
But let's focus on the now. As Bestia 666 sends Jheri Gigolo from pillar to post.
I've seen this before. Usually you gotta pay extra for that, kid.
And the paint of Bestia 666 being smeared by the buttocks of Jheri Gigolo. Beautiful double axe handle. Cover here. Had him stacked up high on his shoulders, and I thought Jheri Gigolo was going to have him, but El Guapo, our referee, says it was just a 2.
Goddamn, I have not seen a double axe handle effectively used since 1986.
I think it caught him in the nose. Jheri Gigolo getting the Fist Combat faithful here at an undisclosed location firmly behind him.
With the address on the building.
Could that come at a cost as Bestia 666 now able to capitalize and returns the favor?
The favor?
I don't know if there was a favor. Certainly not. It's looking. But Bestia 666 too small for that. A master of the lucha libre style, and rightfully so, as he is firmly placed in the driver's seat here for our semi-main event of Drive-In Wrestling.
The crowd is split here, guy. Oh, fuck yeah. Suck it. Wait, there are kids here. Should I be saying
Bestia 666 taking his time here with Jheri Gigolo, and you gotta believe it's just a matter of time as the demon from the dark side looking to make quick work of the flamboyant Jheri Gigolo. And again, Jheri really taking a huge amount of punishment here from Bestia, who's been so impressive since returning to Fist Combat late last year. Jheri looking to catch a second win, but don't look at me! Come on, there's action going on inside the ring!
Watch this
and I think
fucking
Bestia 666 might have caught him low.
How low?
Can you go? I don't know, but Jheri Gigolo is down.
It was like 4 inches from the ground, right? Dick joke.
I don't know the logistics here, but what I do know is that Jheri Gigolo needs to mount an offense, and he needs to do it quick, otherwise it could be all but it for the flamboyant superstar here at Drive-In Wrestling.
All but it. All but it, guys. All but it.
And Bestia 666 again using the
Why are you
referee.
listening to him? Quit listening to
Why are
him.
you listening to him? Pay attention to the...
What the fuck?
For the post here, Bestia 666. Clapped right around the ears. You gotta wonder what that does to the equilibrium of Jheri Gigolo.
Kid, it fuks it up. That's what it does. It fucks
Well,
it up.
evidently so, as Jheri Gigolo down on his face.
I don't think that's the first time Gigolo has got the clap. Let's be honest, right?
Well, this one might prove to be a little more effective in putting him down as one more. I was going to say, chop reverberating off the chest, but even more effectively so, 2 well-placed fingers into the eyes of Jheri Gigolo. Again, it's been all Bestia 666 the last few moments of this match.
Here we go. Oh, fuck.
Just as I say that, Jheri able to get 2 knees up. And some separation there with a beautiful drag.
Gigolo fired it up. Oh, another back elbow.
out of Jheri to deliver the move. Oh my gosh!
I thought that was it, kid.
And at the last split second, Bestia 666 had the wherewithal to get that left shoulder off the mat. And Jheri Gigolo, just like the rest of the audience here at Drive-In Wrestling, stunned by the happenings here. You gotta wonder, Jheri Gigolo must be asking himself, what does he have to do to put down Bestia 66 here this evening?
Yes, the rest.
Beautiful European uppercut there, and
Who do the people want to win, kid? Who do the people want to win? Some of them behind Bestia, some are behind Jheri.
the crowd is split. It's clearly a 50-50 contest. Either way you cut it, but that kick may have cut Jheri Gigolo's face right off. And now, from the inside out, Bestia 666. He's cut. He's cut.
What's going to happen now? Oh, he's carrying him around.
This is dangerous.
Carrying him over the
Oh my
threshold.
God! Oh, first into the ring post. And Bestia 666 might be hurt.
The weld held. Good. Hell yeah. We just got that thing welded again. It held up. Thank God. The weld held.
And now Wapo, no choice but to administer the count. We hate to see a match like this end with a non-finish, but you gotta consider the well-being and the welfare of both of these
These guys are
men.
both fucked up. Like me on a Sunday morning at 6 a.m. They're both fucked up.
Both men in at the same time. Neither man wants this match to go by the wayside.
Give it up for these motherfuckers. Hell
Go
yeah.
for the victory.
Put him on the 4th of July. Giving you a show of a lifetime, goddammit.
And both men struggling to get to their feet here. The right hand goes off the skull of Bestia 666, and now that of Jheri Gigolo, as these men are exchanging haymakers in the center of the ring.
Yay. Yay.
Both men. Oh! Super kick! Bestia 666 is on fire! Beautiful series of holds and counter holds. Jheri Gigolo, who may have had his clavicle ruptured by a wicked knee.
What the fuck do they gotta do?
Bestia 666 gave Jheri his best shot, a death blow. And Jheri Gigolo, it may have been instinct, it may have been willpower, it may have been guts, it may have been stupidity, but he was able to get that right shoulder off the mat.
I'm voting stupidity, for sure.
Bestia 666 has got to be furious at this point. And another wicked chop echoing off the chest. These men are spent. They're giving it their all, but one man will stand tall. One man will be the victor. The question is who and when. And it appears. That's it. Out of midair.
Come room, Gigolo, we got this.
Taking his time. They may cost him. Bestia 666 is bringing off the second rope and caught mid-air with a wicked ace crusher, and Jheri Gigolo with full coverage, just able to get a 2 count. My goodness, what is it going to take? What do these men have to do to walk away with a victory here this evening?
I really want to know how the main event is going to top this, kid. It can't happen. It can't happen. This fucking match. This is an incredible match, kid.
It's an incredible evening. This whole it's an action-packed from top to bottom, but Jheri Gigolo looking to capitalize.
Oh, this is dumb.
As he ascends the top rope,
This is dumb.
taking a risk here, but he's taken one earlier and it paid off. Could we see it from the heavens? Oh!
He just got his ample manhood crushed.
And he took just a second too long. And we know this is a very precarious position for Jheri to be in here.
Half the women in the audience right now are pissed.
The legacy continues. Bestia with a wicked.
together. These two gave it all. Jheri, Gigolo, Bestia. On paper, not a wrestler we would see, but we have seen magic here. Fucking magic.
Thank you very much. That's why I fucking love coming and work for Fist Combat. I even climbed the fucking wall to be here with you guys. And I'll do it again. Because I love you fans. Adios. Señor Gigolo. Sorry. Señora Gigolo.